Good morning, happy Monday. I'm Wendy Blanchard, holistic health practitioner, coach, and mental health and wellness educator. I am also the creator of the upcoming Fall Back into Wellness Symposium, raising awareness on mental health and wellness. Can you spare 1 hour a month starting August 6th at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, 1:30 p.m. UK, 10:30 p.m. Australia, to sit in and listen to what we have so far planned for this symposium. This is a response to my call to action to raise awareness on mental health and wellness. And we have an amazing group of dedicated peers and professionals in the field of mental health and wellness and substance use disorder. The symposium will be on November 5th and 6th. It is free, a 2-day free virtual global workshop series, and I would love for you to be able to provide us with 1 hour of your expertise in the field to help provide tools, information, and strategies to our global community. Email me at wendyblanchard044@gmail.com if you're interested.